this make you feel old? I hope it does. What the hell is that?
I think that's a Wii U.
No, that's not a Wii U. There's a Sega Saturn. I used to, and that's my old Game Boy Color.
With a see-through?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was the shit. I had that game and that game. I had the Tomb Raider too. I'm old. I know.
I did have a Game Boy Advanced. SP.
That's what my brother had. I had the Game Boy Advance.
Made that.
Oh,
No!
on, come back! Of course, it's right after I record.
They're making fun of me. And I leave.
We were having fun with the bird that literally just fell over on the thing and trying to figure out how to get back up there.
Then I found out we were making fun of it and it just left.
We weren't making fun of it. We were making. Now there's two birds floating over there. There was two birds floating over there.
Cool.
Bird sex. I wonder how birds have sex. Do you know how birds have sex?
If doggies have sex doggy style, do birdies have sex birdie style? Maybe birds have sex doggy style. Anybody look this up and let us know.
That's all I need. Birds.
Birds.
I don't know.
Bird. The bird's the word I want.
I'm waiting for one of the ball. Fall. It's gonna fly away.
And there they go.
Oh, I want it on the fall again.
I guess bird's not the word.
But bird is the worm.
I want a bird. Bird's the word. 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 And a bicycle. What's up, Lucky?
Tell me when I'm allowed to shut him up.
I want a bird. Bird's the word. I want a bird. Bird's the word. I want a
Now.
bird. Bird's the word.
I don't know, like, yeah.
Bird. Birdies.
I hate my life. Get my button.
No.
What is it?
Metal.
Why is there metal there?
I don't know. I'm finding this out. I'm finding out exactly what it is.
It's a random metal piece so far. You know, you're not even near scratching it. I'm not sure your glasses are working. Holy balls, what is this? What is this? Maybe we found like a tombstone or something. Casket. Metal casket.
My little casket.
Really? You need a bigger stick.
I got it!
And
It's a rock. Sadly.
But it's cool looking. Look at it in the sun. Shiny rock. It belongs to something. Look at the divot. It's like man-made divot.
It belongs to the U.S. government.
Swear to God, if the government's watching us, I'm gonna fucking kill you with this rock.
No, the government's not watching us.
Thank God.
That's what they want you to think.
Damn, she's badass. Look at that going go. You got others coming. What is this one doing?